learners. I am Faculty of Mathematics at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today we will learn a topic surface area taken from grade 9th, chapter 13 of mathematics. So in this video we will learn about surface area of cuboid, surface area of a cube, surface area of right circular cylinder, surface area of right circular cone, and finally we will learn surface area of a sphere. So let's start the video. Now let's start with the surface area of a cuboid. The structure of cuboid can be explained with the help of some structure like matchbox, book, etc. A cuboid is a solid formed by joining the corresponding vertices of two congruent rectangles such that the lateral edges are perpendicular to the planes containing the congruent rectangles. The cuboid has 6 surfaces and each one is congruent and parallel to the corresponding sides. The area of rectangle is the product of its length and breadth, that is L into B is equal to area. The surface area of cuboid is the sum of areas of all its faces. That is twice of the product of L into B plus B into H plus H into L will be the total surface area of a cuboid, where L, B and H are the respectively the 3 edges of a cuboid. Surface area of a cube. A cube is the special case of cuboid when all the edges are equal, that is length is equal to breadth, breadth is equal to height and height is equal to A. If each of the cube is A as the edge, then the surface area of this cube would be twice of A square, B square and H square. Surface area of cube is given as 6A square. Lateral surface area is in a solid is the sum of lateral surface areas of all its faces excluding the base of the solid. Lateral surface area of a cube is 4A square. A is the side. The lateral surface area of cuboid is twice of length into height plus height into breadth and plus breadth into length. For example, find the total surface area in meter square of a cuboid 8 meter long, 4 meter broad and 2 meter height. Now we know the formula of total surface area. We will put it, that is twice of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. By putting the values, that is twice 8 into 4 plus 4 into 2 plus 8 into 2, we will get 112 meters square. So this is the example which expressed that how we are going to calculate the value of total surface area of a cuboid. Now let's talk about the surface area of right circular cylinder. A cylinder is one of the most basic curvilinear geometric shapes. Now there are some examples which show you that how a cylindrical object look like LPG cylinder, syntax and all. Now we are having a structure which shows the curved surface of the cylinder. So it is given as area of rectangular sheet that is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to perpendicular or perimeter of the base of the cylinder into height, that is 2 pi r into h. Therefore curved surface area of cylinder is given as 2 pi r h. Now there are two circles as a top and bottom of the cylindrical configuration. A total surface area of cylinder will be given as area of circles plus curved surface area of cylinder. Now we'll put the value 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. We can write this formula as 2 pi r under bracket r plus h, where h is the height of the cylinder and r is its radius. So this is how a total surface area of cylinder can be calculated. Next topic is surface area of a right circular cone. A right circular cone is a solid generated by revolving of a right angled triangle about one of its sides containing the right angle as axis. In this figure, right angle triangle AOB revolves along AO, generates the cone of height h and radius r, and slant height L is equal to AC. Now in this figure we can see that all the given structures are given. The curved portion of the figure is equal to perimeter of the base of the cone plus circumference of the base of the cone is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the base radius of the cone. Thus curved surface area is equal to half into radius AC into arc BC, where L in this diagram is the slant height. So we can put the values, that is half into L into 2 pi r, which will give you pi rl square units, where r is the radius and L is the slant height. So slant height can be given according to the Pythagoras theorem, that is under root r square plus h square. Since area of the base is pi r square, so total surface area is equal to pi rl plus pi r square. And we can write in another way, that is pi r is equal to L plus r. Now this is an example. So solve the surface area of the right cone of the given radius is 10 meter and slant height is 15 meter. So surface area we need to find, radius is given, slant height is given, surface area is to be calculated. So first of all we will find the L, that is slant height, and put in the formula pi rl. So slant height is given, so simply put the value 3.14 into 10 into 10 plus 15, so it will give you 25. So surface area will be 785 meter square. So this is the way how to find the value of surface area of a cone. Finally we will talk about surface area of a sphere. The globe is the structure of a sphere. There are some different structures of a sphere also, like earth, like a cricket ball. Now these are the spheres. So every sphere is having a center, a radius. Surface area of a sphere is given as 4 pi r square. A hemisphere is obtained by cutting a sphere into two equal halves by a plane passing through its center. Curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to half the surface area of a sphere, that is 1 by 2 4 pi r square, which will be equal to 2 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. Now there is an example which will help us to understand that how the question will come. A spherical ball has a surface area 2464 cm square. Find the radius of the ball. Correct to two decimal places using pi is equal to 3.142. Now to solve it, we know the surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So r square will be given as surface area upon 4 pi. Putting the value, r square is equal to 2464 upon 4 into pi. Now it will give you 196.054. Now when we will take the under root of 196.04054, we will get 14.00 centimeter approximately. So we will consider the radius of ball is 14 centimeter. So that's all for this video of surface area. Thank you so much. Do like, subscribe our channel. Bless your kids.